creating a program using if statement. So to do that, let's click new project. Click the Windows Form application and I will name this as using if statement. Then click OK. And let's wait for the project to be created. Okay, so here is our form now. I will rename my form as my resto. Okay. Next, in case you have different forms, you can rename also the name of your form here. So I will rename it as form my resto. Next, so we will design our form, which is as I've said, it's about my resto, right? So I will add a label for the name of my resto. So I will name it as MJSB Resto. There you go. So I will make it bold. And on the bigger size. Make it a bigger size. 14. Then click OK. Then I will make it on the center. There you go. Okay? Next, I will add another label or another label for our menu. Okay, first we have the label. Okay, we will rename this one or the text of this one as burger. Okay, burger. Then its price as 30 pesos. Okay. Next, this is LBL burger. Okay. Next, let's copy and paste this one for the other menus. Okay. Let's align it here. Make sure to edit your text. Okay. So let's say for example we have fries here. So fries. We have also fries which is 20 pesos. And then change its name to LBL fries. Next one we have drinks. Okay, let's say for example we have the drinks which is equivalent to 15 pesos. And then label, so LBL drinks. Next we have let's say for example we also have an ice cream. Ice cream. It is for 25 pesos. Then change its label to LBL ice cream. Next one, in the last item or menu, or item for the menu, we have the value meal, which is 50 pesos. Then let's change its name to LBL value meal. There you go. Now we will add a button. So I will make it bigger, this one. There you go. So let's add a button. Okay, I will make it here. Place it here, I mean. Then the name of this one, or the text of this one, is minus. Okay, the minus sign. There you go. Since it's not visible, let's change its font to bold, and let's make it bigger. There you go. And let's make this smaller. Okay. So just resize it. Okay. Next one we have, or we will add another button here. Okay. And since we have a minus sign, we will have a plus sign. Let's change its font. Same with the minus sign. So bold and thin. Then click OK. So let's resize it. Oops. Okay. There you go. Next, we will add, or on the minus sign, let's rename it as CMD for the burger. So burger minus. Next here, the name is CMD burger plus. Okay, there you go. Next, we will do it until the value meal. So let's copy and paste these two. And we will rename them later. Let's design it first. Okay. There you go. So let's change for the price. So CMD price minus. Then this is CMD price plus. This one CMD drinks minus. Then CMD drinks plus. Next, CMD ice cream minus. Then this is CMD ice cream plus. Next, CMD value meal minus. Next one, we have CMD value meal plus. So we're done renaming them. Now let's add a text box. Go to your toolbox. So add a text box. Okay, let's resize it. Okay, so place it in the middle of the minus and plus sign for each meal. So the text box name will be TXT burger for the burger. Okay, and we will make its text as 0. Value is 0. Okay, it will start at 0, and then we will align it or find the text alignment, make it center. There you go. Okay, so this is again TXT burger. Let's copy and paste it for the other meals. Next. Okay, just align them with the others so that it's better. Okay. Next. Okay, there you go. So let's change the names for each value meals or for each menu, I mean. So this is TXT Price. This is TXT Drinks. TXT Drinks. Next, TXT Ice Cream. And the last one will be TXT Value Meal. Okay, there you go. So we are done with the following designs. But of course, how can we identify the total? So we will be needing buttons. So we will add another button. I will name it as BTN Clear. Okay, and then the name will be, of course, Clear Order. Okay, so I will make it bold. Okay, just adjust this one. There you go. And then let's copy and paste it for the order or place order. So this is place order, and it's named to BTN place order. Okay, so there you go. Next one, we will add a text box for the total, of course. So here is your text box. So let's align it here. There you go. We will name it as, of course, TXT total. And then it's named to or text to okay. So there will be no text, but we will make it disabled or false. So let's change it to false. There you go. So we cannot click it. Then I will adjust this one. We will have a label, of course, for the total. Oops. Label. We will add a label for the total. So this is okay. Change its text to total. And then its name to LBL total. So we are done. Next one, since this is a resto, we will print a receipt. So how will we do that? We will add a button here. Okay? So let's design it. We will add a button here. Let's rename it as BTN Receipt. And let's change its text to print receipt. Let's make it bigger. Ayan. Let's make it bold. There you go. And then click the form. So I will change its color. Okay, its back color to another color. There you go. Okay, so that will be the design of our resto. Now let's create a program or the coding. Okay, so let's click our form to declare variables for the menu. Okay, so for my restos, you can see here. Okay, so let's declare let's declare the beam or the dimensions on the outside of the for my resto. So let's declare for the burger. So it's double since it has a decimal. So DBL burger as double. Okay. Same with the other items on the menu. So DBL fries as double. Next, drinks or DBL drinks. DBL drinks as double. Next, we have the ice cream. DBL ice cream as double. And the last one will be, or the last item on the menu will be DBL value meal as double. For the last part will be the total, of course. So DBL total as double. Okay, so we are done declaring the variable for the menu. Now let's proceed, or let's go back to our design. Let's proceed with these following buttons, the minus and plus signs. So let's proceed first with the plus sign, this one. Okay, so our code for here, okay, will be the text burger. That text, okay, is plus or equals to 1. Meaning to say, add 1 tayo. Mag-plus 1 tayo when you click the plus sign. Okay? And then, next one, we will do this for all the items on the menu. Next, for the price. So, I will copy this one. Okay. So, this is TXT Price. Okay, that text. So, plus 1 din siya. Next one, we have the drinks. Okay, so TXT drinks, that text, plus or equal to 1.
Next one, the ice cream. Ice cream, so TXT ice cream that text plus or equals to 1. Next one we have, let's proceed with the value meal. Okay, so TXT value meal that text plus or equals to 1. Okay, so we are done with the plus signs. Next, we'll proceed with the minus. Okay, let's proceed with the first one, with the burger. Okay, so on the burger, let's have the burger, TXT burger, that text. Here, we will have the minus sign, okay, and equal to 1. But here, we are going to use if statement here because we cannot have a quantity lower than 0. Okay, so we will use if statement. TXT burger that text less than or equal to 0, then TXT burger that text is equals to 0. Meaning to say, if we click, okay, the minus sign, even if it's already 0, it will stay as 0 since we cannot have a quantity lower than 0. Next one, let's proceed with the TXT price. Okay, so let's copy this one, then paste it here, then let's change it into price. Next, okay, wait for a while. Let's change it to price. Same with this one, price. Okay, we will do this until the value meal. Okay, next, drinks. We have here the drinks. So drinks, then drinks. Next, we have ice cream. Okay, ice cream. So ice cream. TXT ice cream. There you go. And the last one is, of course, the minus sign for the value meal. So TXT value meal, TXT value meal, TXT value meal. Okay, there you go. Let's save it first. So save all natin siya. So we are done with the plus and minus sign. Now let's proceed with the place order. Okay, to compute the total order. So we will have, of course, use the double. So DBL burger, okay, equals to TXT burger that text, okay, which is multiplied by 30. Meaning to say, we will multiply the quantity that we inputted or we added on the text box. Okay, so there you go. Here's the TXT burger. Okay, next we have the DBL fries. Okay, equals TXT Price dot text. Okay, what is the amount of the price? 20. So, multiply by 20. Okay. Next one, DBL drinks equals to TXT drinks dot text multiply by 15. Okay, and then DVL ice cream equals to TXT ice cream dot text times how much is the ice cream? 25 pesos. So, 25 pesos. Next, DBL value meal equals TXT value meal dot text multiply by 50 pesos. So, let's save it first. Save all. Let's see if it's working already. Okay, let's see. So, there you go. Here. Okay. Yan. So, it's working. Okay, so let's stop it first. Let's proceed with the next button, which is, or let's proceed with the total, of course. Okay? So, DBL total muna tayo. DBL total, okay, equals to DBL burger. Ipag-plus na natin in case, okay, na in-order natin lahat. Okay? So, DBL burger plus, okay, we will add the total quantity that you ordered. So, DBL burger, DBL fries, plus DBL drinks, plus DBL ice cream, plus DBL value meal. Okay? That is for the DBL total. And it will display on the TXT or the text box total. So, DBL total. Okay. So, we are done with that one. Next, let's proceed with the clear button. Here. Okay, the clear order. So, the clear order, wait for a while. Let's check the DBL total. Okay. Wait. We have an error here. Value of type double cannot be converted to system.windows.form text box. So we forgot the dot text here. So txt total dot text. Okay, so that our DBL total will be identified here. Okay, so there you go. Now let's proceed with the BTN clear. Okay. On the BTN clear, you knew how to do it, but here it is different. We will not totally clear the text box or the value of the text box. Instead, we will be clearing it or returning it to 0. Okay, so how can we do that? txtburger.text, instead of clear, we will use equals to 0. So it will return to 0. So we will do it for the rest. Okay, txt equals 0. Next, txt drinks dot text equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0. Okay. Next one, txt ice cream dot text equals to 0, and then txt value meal dot text equals to 0, and for the total, txt total dot text equals to 0. So save all. Okay, there you go. We will save all. Okay, let's see if it's working now. So let's start it. Let's say for example, I ordered 2 fries, 1 burger, 1 drinks of course, and then I will place my order. So place order. So 85, let's see, to 15 plus 40 since 2 quantity. Okay, 2 40 plus 15, that's 55 plus 30, 85. Okay, there you go. Then clear order natin, let's see. Okay, bumalik sila sa 0. So, plus natin, plus. Okay, so 25 plus 15, that's 40 plus 20, 60. So, place order, 60. Okay, there you go. Then, clear order. Now, let's proceed with the print receipt. Okay, ipiprint nyo yung receipt or yung mga total natin. So, how to do that? Let's go to the design, click the print receipt. Okay, there you go. We will click the print receipt. Now, on the print receipt, it will just show a message box. Okay, so message box that show. Okay, so i-display niya yung mga in-order natin kung ilan. Okay, yung total. So, burger. Okay, burger, then yung Philippine peso amount natin. Okay, don't forget that. And we will call the DBL burger. Okay, and we will use a the VBCRLF, which is clear, meaning to say it will move to the next line only. Okay, we will use the VBCRLF to move to the next line. Okay, or the current line. Okay, and next we will proceed with the price. Okay, so price, then the Philippine peso sign, and then, oops, price. Okay, price, and then the Philippine peso sign, double quotation, and then the BBL price, followed by the next line, CRLF. Okay, next one we have the drinks. Okay, the Philippine peso sign. There you go. And then proceed with the DBL drinks. And then the next line, so VBCRLF. Next one we have the ice cream. So ice cream. Okay, ice cream. And then let's call the DBL ice cream. Next we have the BBCRLF, and then we have the value meal. I think that will be the last one. Okay, value meal. After the value meal, of course, we will have the total. So, value meal. Okay, and then, ayan. So, Philippine peso sign. Okay, and then, so, DBL value meal. And then, BBCRLF. Okay, and then we have for the total, of course. Okay, so total, not TXT total. Okay, total, and then our total, and then the Philippine peso sign. Okay, and then the DBL total, of course. So DBL total. Okay, and then our receipt. Okay, for receipt, we are done here. So we will have our receipt. So receipt. Okay, so it will have a message box buttons, which is okay. Okay, here it is, message box buttons, not okay. And we will have also an information. So message box information, message box icon. Okay, that information, where it is, here you go. And then your closing parenthesis. And that will be the end. So, save na natin. So, save all. Let's see if it's working. So, I will order burger. Okay, so start. I will order a burger, 2 burgers, 1 drink, 1 value meal. Total of 50 and then 15. Tapos 30, 60, 50, what, 10, 125. So, place order, 125. Print receipt natin para lumitaw siya. Ayan. Burger, 60. Fries, 0. Since wala tayong in-order na fries. Okay. Drinks is 15. Ice cream, wala. And then, value meal is 50. And then, total is 125. That is the print receipt. Okay. This is the receipt a while ago. The what do you call this? The title. Okay, and then click OK. This is the message box button. Yung click OK. And then, let's clear order. So, I think that would be all. I hope you learn a lot from this video tutorial using if statement. That would be all. God bless and see you on our next video tutorial. Good day!